front of the Randall Residence. Residence is in Oakville, Ontario, and today we are going to be filming to show you this area and some of the amenities that it has, so stay tuned. So this is the entrance to the Randall Residence. And you see people already. This is the parking on the side here. This right here is the sidewalk in case, and you can see the building all the way here. This also on my right side is also another walkway, and it's also showcasing you the building. This is the customer service area, and this is actually in downtown Oakville, as the sign is pointing to. This is downtown Oakville. So actually, I'm going to take you a little bit closer to see the inside and the front. This is actually the front, and as you open the door, you can see the inside. This is the lobby area. As you can see, very beautiful, very polished area. It's a very nice, beautiful location. And it's in Oakville, as I've mentioned before, really grand. And this is built by Rose Haven. I'm gonna come and sit here. So this is a lounge, so another sitting area where you can actually come in and relax a little bit if you have any guests. Here is the hallway. As you can see, a big hallway, very beautiful hallway. As you can see, a very nice hallway. And here is also another sitting area where you can see the beautiful area. I'll bring you to this side. This is also another area where the elevators are. If you go upstairs, very beautiful. I'll take you. So this is the hallway, and these are washrooms. So where I'm standing right now is the main street to the Randall apartment, and as you can see behind me, so this building was actually built in 2019 by Rose Haven Homes, and it took them quite a long time, I would say about 5 years or more. But the unit, for example, one bedroom penthouse can go for about $4 million just to live at the very top. So when I say penthouse, it's at the very top. And if you really want to live on a bigger unit, which is more than 1 bedroom or 3 bedrooms, I was told that it can cost you about $12 million. This is what I was told based on my research also. So this is a very, very prestigious community. I'm standing on the west side of the building, and you can see the entire view here. And I mentioned the price before, between $4 million to $12 million if you live on the penthouse, and how bigger of your unit you are. So in case if you're wondering why the price is so very expensive, this is Oakville, and right now I'm standing right not far from the lake shore, which is the main street, is the waterfront. It's about maybe 500 meters to 1 kilometer, less than 1 kilometer for sure away from me. And anytime that you have a building or a house that's close to the lake shore, then for sure you're gonna pay a premium price. So this is where you have the Appleby College and all the top schools are, Oakville Trafalgar School. So there's no surprises that this building, the location and where it's centralized, is costing this much money. So just to show you other dimension of the building and how it looks from the west side. So this is the northwest side of the building, and behind me there's actually a restaurant, a very small restaurant area here. And the there's a bar if you go inside. Because of the COVID, I won't be able to take you inside. But here, there's also a place, a lounge, where you can actually buy food and enjoy some food here with your family or with your loved ones. So this is one of the amenities that this building also has. It has a place to sit and dine and wine also. So where I'm standing is also the parking for the area. So it has a huge parking spot here. This is mainly for visitors that are coming in to visit their loved ones. And the floors, it goes a little bit down below. So in case if you're here and you want to park the car, as you can see, one car just passed by. So we also have a parking spot in this building as well. And there's an electrical charger also stationed here as well. If you're using like electrical cars, you can also park here and charge it as well. So this is also one of the amenities of the building that it has.